times you may want to prepare pasta in smaller batches besides cooking it in the kettle or the tilting skillet. So I want to show you how to prepare small batches of pasta using your Combi. The rule for cooking pasta is always 1 pound of pasta to 1 gallon of water. Really easy to remember, 1 to 1. So I'm going to place my water in a 4-inch pan with a 4-inch perforated pan inside, because that's going to be my colander we're going to use later on to take the pasta out. Next I have my 1 pound of pasta, and it's going to go into my pan. Something that's really, really important right now, and that is to stir it, because you don't want your pasta sticking together. So I'm going to stir my pasta around. Now the maximum amount I could put in here would be 3 pounds of pasta and 3 gallons of water. Now for some cooks that is fine, but you need to remember that is going to be a little bit heavy. So you may want to adjust that to 2 pounds of pasta to 2 gallons of water, or again like I'm doing, 1 pound of pasta to 1 gallon of water. So now we're going to place this pan on our cart, because our cart is our friend. It's going to help us transfer pots and pans and product that's really heavy. So we come over here to our Combi. I'm going to open the door. I have the Combi set to steam. So now I'm going to place my pasta, and I'm going to use the bottom shelf because I want something that's going to be close to me when I pull it out. Pasta goes in, close the door, and then we're going to set our time. So for this pasta, I'm going to select 19 minutes. And here we go. Oh, our pasta's ready. All right. Stuff the beeper. Okay, reach in. Remember, we want to use our cart. Our cart is our friend. So let me get on oven mitts for safety. I'm going to pull our pasta out. And we've got our cart right here. Now I can transfer this to the work sink. And what I would do there is I'm going to lift the pasta away from the pan. You're going to take this over to your work sink, and then you're going to lift your pasta out using that 4-inch perforated pan as a colander. Look at that, voila, pasta in a pinch.